Are you looking for the best electric hand planer? In this video, we will break down the top 4 electric hand planers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT DCP580B. DEWALT is a brand that needs no introduction, and its products come with the promise of high quality and reliability. This model features a brushless motor that makes it both efficient and reliable. Since this DEWALT planer operates without a cord, you can use it just about anywhere. You aren't hampered by the constraints of a corded model. Plus, it's very lightweight, coming in at a mere 6.7 pounds, making it even more efficient to carry around the worksite with you. The planer comes with a handy user guide filled with instructions, as well as a wrench and a guide fence. Although it doesn't include a battery or a charger, it is compatible with other DEWALT 20 volts batteries, which are readily available. Other features of this motor that is capable of producing 32,000 cuts per minute. The planer has a built-in kickstand so that you can set it down while it's powered off without fear of accidentally slicing your work surface. Moreover, the planer's belt is very durable, thanks to its poly-V construction and gripping traction. Also, it comes with a 3-year manufacturer's limited warranty. At number 2. WEN 6530. If you are looking for one that is cost-efficient, then the WEN 6530 electric hand planer is recommended for you. This machine has a 6-amp motor with a 3 1/4 inch cut width. However, it also comes in a 2 3/8 inch or a 4 3/8 inch option. You will find a good weight-to-power ratio with 34,000 cuts per minute and 17,000 revolutions per minute at a lightweight 6 pounds. There is also an easy trigger for less hand fatigue when you are using the planer for an extended period. This model features 16 positive stops with an increment increase of 1 1/128 inch from 0 to 1/8 inch. It also creates rabbets up to 7 by 10 inch with the included rabbet guide. The durable motor runs on 120 volts and 60 Hz, Hz. The WEN also comes with 2 HSS reversible blades and an adjustment wrench that you can store on the unit for a quick blade change. The planer comes with a kickstand to keep you from making unintended marks, a parallel fence, and a base plate shoe with a V-shaped groove for chamfering. It also comes with a dust bag that can be attached to the multi-directional dust chute that allows you to choose which direction the wood debris spills out. The bag is reversible, as well. At number 3. VONHAUS Electric Wood Hand Planer Kit. This corded electric hand planer is designed for maximum power and efficiency, delivering 33,000 cuts per minute onto the chosen surface while the internal blade drum spins at a 16,000 RPM, allowing for the most professional-looking finish possible. Furthermore, adjustable base plate lets you adapt to cutting at angles up to 45 degrees, and there are 2 separate dust extraction options so that it never has to get in your face. There is also a depth knob built into the body that lets you choose between multiple cutting depth options, as well as a special auxiliary handle that works as both a soft grip and a quick access on/off switch. This hand planer is very straightforward and simple, giving you a range of useful features but still being basic enough to get the job done flawlessly. At number 4. MAKITA KP0810. If you're looking for an electric hand planer, then one you should definitely check out is this MAKITA KP0810. It comes equipped with a powerful 7.5 amp motor which delivers a 16,000 RPM no-load speed for increased stock removal. The blades that come with it are double-edged carbide blades that stay sharp for long periods of working with the planer. It has the capacity to plane up to 3 1/4 inches in width and 5/32 inches in depth just with a single pass of the planer on your workpiece. Weight-wise, it weighs 7.3 pounds, not too heavy, not too light, which makes the power-to-weight ratio of the planer pretty high. Ergonomics and ease of use is key when it comes to tools like this, Thus the Makita KP0810 is fitted with both front and back rubberized handles to make handling very easy, and it's well balanced in the center as well. The planer is also equipped with a conveniently located lock-on button so you can work continuously with it without holding onto the button. Overall, the product is definitely one of the best electric planers you can get your hands on right now. It's powerful, it's ergonomic, easy to operate, and the performance is top-notch.